Okay, so we pre-ordered some stuff. What do you got?
Couple tumblers.
Yeah,
Couple
FMCA.
t-shirts.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Couple t-shirts for the event. I can't wait to see those tumblers. They look cool. All right, well, let's go back to the RV and open
Wait,
those.
they both say they're for you.
Oh, well.
That's a problem.
So they got a band here at the cantina and everybody's gathered up, and you'll see all the golf carts and the electric bikes. So far so good. FMCA convention. Let me show you what we're looking at. Okay, we're in the cantina on the outside, listening to the band. We're in Arizona, but it's cold.
We're all bundled up.
Yeah.
And I wish I had gloves and a hat.
Yeah, so, you know, it does get cold in Tucson, Arizona, even in March. So, but we're here enjoying some music at the FMCA convention. If you're not attending these, you're missing out, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fun so far.
Yeah. Well, we're going to keep showing you our week here in Tucson, Arizona at the Pima County Fairgrounds. Keep watching. I'll say this. If you're a line dancer or karaoke person, these conventions are for you. This was a nightly happening at the convention. We are members of FMCA, your RVing family and RV club. And we're attending the Fiesta del Sol convention in Tucson, Arizona that happened between March 20th and 23rd. For those that don't know, FMCA is a large RV club. Almost 1,000 RVs showed up for this convention. Some of the misconception from the name is Family Motor Coach Association. But you don't have to be a motor coach to be a member of this association. We are fifth wheelers and we love our membership with FMCA. There are lots of benefits to membership. Tech support, connectivity support. A big one is the FMC Assist. It's an emergency medical evacuation coverage available to members worldwide as long as you are more than 75 miles away from home. If you are a full-time RVer, you are always considered 75 miles away from home. And because it's a large organization and club, you'll be able to save on tire purchases, get discounts on roadside rescue, which we have our RV insured through FMCA, traveler's insurance, pet insurance, health insurance. Too many discounts to list all right here. You'll have to go to their website, www.fmca.com. While at the convention, we even did a topic in one of the seminars on work camping in national parks. Okay, so this is Wednesday of the Family Motor Coach Association meeting, and this is the day that all the vendors show up.
Yes.
And so we're going to go into the vendor showroom. Apparently it is big, and there's a lot of them here. And there's some inside and outside. There's some RVs here. We're going to take you guys along with us.
Go.
Yeah, and
Maybe we'll get some funnel cake at the end of the day again.
oh Lord. Yeah, and there are food vendors here at the convention as well. Oh, I like this floor plan. For a C-Class, this is awesome.
This is a used one too, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I like the storage up there.
Yeah.
We're used to that.
Head back and let's just check this all out. Big closet. And of course, while they're there, We had to check out some of the new and used RVs that were there at the fairgrounds and just see what we could possibly be missing out on if we swapped out RVs. But we love our fifth wheel. Funnel cakes, gyros. What do you have, Terry?
Apple pie, funnel cake.
Oh no.
I like how the apples are cut tiny.
All right, funnel cake, and now what?
The band.
Sponsored by Clean Tank. Every night there was some kind of event to attend. We were never bored the entire time. But we wanted to give our viewers who've been watching a little bit of education about what FMCA is, Family Motor Coach Association. So who we have standing here next to us is Chris Smith, and you're the CEO of FMCA.
I am. Yeah, I've been the CEO for about 7 years now. So I've been around, seen a lot of changes, and had a good time doing it.
So Chris is kind of a big deal to have Chris, because we're pulling away from all these important duties. So how long has FMCA been around?
So FMCA is actually in its 61st year.
Wow.
And just a quick story, it started with about 10 families gathering in Hinkley, Maine to watch a solar eclipse. From those 10 families, we now have 68,000 family members.
Wow.
We have 1,000 people parked on site here, or 1,000 RVs, which equates to about 2,000 people parked on site. That little gathering 61 years ago has turned into something I'm sure those people never imagined what it would become today.
Yeah, I mean, what a big organization. We have found just going around, it's a friendly organization. Everybody's welcoming. It's a mega campground here right now, with then some RVs and other stuff. It's not only a convention, it's like an RV show.
It is. I mean, we have exhibitors, seminars, entertainment, daytime entertainment. We just had a band playing while we were recording earlier. So, our goal is to make sure you don't have any complaints about there not being anything to do. Our hope is to jam-pack your schedule and make the 4 days very enjoyable.
And our goal in this video is to show you guys what you can do if you do attend one of these conventions and you join this organization, which leads me to my next question. How do people join? What's the cost? And who can join?
Yeah, so we currently have our membership dues are $60 to join.
Okay.
And then to renew, it's $50. It's $10 more because if anyone's familiar or have seen what we call the goose egg, when they're driving down the road, you might see a goose egg with an F and some numbers in it. That's our plate. That's our membership plate.
Placard.
We give you a membership number. We do give you that placard. You can put it on your RV. So that extra $10 the first year kind of covers that cost and kind of some other admin fees set up. So that's kind of our due structure. We do allow any RV, any self-contained RV.
You touched on that anybody can join, and I know it's Motor Coach Association, but really anybody can join, and there'd be benefits for anybody to join.
Yeah, we have benefits for any type of RV. I would say our main flagship benefit that's included with dues is FMCA Assist.
Right.
It's a medical evacuation policy. If you bought it on your own, you'd probably pay $150, $200 per year. So we're offering that included with dues. You're automatically enrolled when you join. And essentially, it's complicated, but I think the easy explanation of that benefit is if you have a medical emergency on the road and you're needing to be transported somewhere, we'll send you to the next closest facility to get medical treatment. And if you cannot drive your RV home, we'll return your RV home, your pets, if you have children with you, dependents with you. So it really is kind of a peace of mind benefit that if something happens, we'll help you.
You know what? And I never gave that much of a thought, even as an ex-first responder. I never gave it much of a thought until I worked in Yellowstone National Park. Visitors to Yellowstone National Park were getting light-blighted out. Visitors never see that. They might see a helicopter flying in the sky. They don't. But because I was in the security, I was hearing all the radio traffic, and our RV was actually parked near one of the landing pads for medvac. And I'm telling you, as a traveler, most of them, what they were worried about was, how the heck am I going to get my RV?
Yep.
How much is this going to cost? And but so it happens, and you just never know.
Yeah, on the assist side, that's the biggest. There's many benefits within the offering, but getting your RV home is probably the most used one, and it covers you up to $5,000 too. So I mean, most people can get covered getting their RV home without having to pay any money out of pocket.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, we have the nice thing within an organization our size is we have the ability to leverage our 68,000 members to get great discounts, like you said, Tech Connect.
Right.
We have great deals with T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T. For hotspots on T-Mobile, we actually introduced $20 per month phone plans.
Wow.
Unlimited phone plans. We have a great magazine that's always ranked 1 or 2 by our members, a monthly publication, and just about any discount you can think of. Have something for it, yeah.
Yeah, and so on top of all the educational stuff that is offered, you have these benefits, but also it's a club. The benefits for full-time travelers or part-time travelers.
Yeah, I mean, FMCA is a 501c7. We're a social organization, so that's kind of our pillar is getting like-minded RVers together. We do that through the events. You can find a local chapter based upon an interest, RV type. You'll find a chapter you can belong to that'll fit some interest you have. And we have, obviously, social media, where we have groups where people can interact with each other as well. We have message boards. I mean, we have a lot of outlets where people can get together and ask questions or just socialize with other members. So,
which again is I don't know how you put a price tag on that. It's awesome. So the music is kicking in, which means we're going to end this, and we're going to keep showing you guys things to see and do at the FMCA convention. This is your 108th convention. Your next convention's in Redmond, Oregon.
Redmond, Oregon, August 14th through 17th. Sign up April 3rd.
Yeah.
See you there.
Yeah. So we're going to sign off on this interview, and we'll keep showing you things to see and do at the convention. The courtyard where they have concerts and all that. And tonight's a comedian. Tonight's kind of cool. You can see everybody kind of gathering around, people gathering around. It's a little warm. So we are in Arizona, but it's been a little cold, people. A little cold. Unseasonably cold for March.
At night.
Yeah. So we're all bundled up. We got our popcorn, our adult beverage, and we're just waiting for the show to begin.
We're ready to laugh.
We are super ready to laugh. All right. We'll show you some of the show.
Spending our kids' inheritance. Next we bought a fifth wheel. It nearly broke the bank. We paid 5,000 extra for a bigger hole.
Well, the next day we had to do our presentation on work camping in national parks. We had a great crowd, and we're super excited to bring this information to other RVers. After our presentation, there was still vendors and products we hadn't seen and RVs we hadn't seen, so we headed back out to the fairgrounds to check out the vendors. All right, Miss Terry.
Let's call it a day.
I don't think we can use that. Okay, last night of the convention, and we're just going over. They've got some music over at the Clean Tank Center, but this has been a really long week, fun week, and we've met a lot of really cool people. We finished our seminar, and now we are going to go over and listen to some music.
Let's go. And there's our friends right now.
And there's our friends right there.
We were just talking about you.
Where are you guys heading?
Well, we're going down and go to get our coats off the grass. And we're going to try and sneak in and park over here with, with the rest of our guys. Well, yeah, we do. We don't know who's listening.
It looks like they're...
Part of the fun of our full-time adventures and full-time travel is meeting people, and R&R Adventures had taken us under their wings, introduced us to their friend group, and we had a great time bonding with this group of people, and we can't wait to see them again on one of our adventures.
Well, look over here. Look what we found. Hey guys. We are major stalkers. And here's all our friends that have adopted us for the week. Yay! Yay!
We had some work done on our RV while we were at the convention, and we're going to show you that on another video. We had a great time at the FMCA convention, and we recommend you check out this organization.
Well, have you seen enough?
Let's call it a day.
All right.